Hello there, welcome to Synconics. So in this video we will see about our product functionality, that is upsell offer, right? So basically this module facilitates customers to find the best deals over an e-commerce website, right? And also facilitates shopkeepers to give their customers best deals on regular days, or we can say on festival seasons. So basically this product works like when customer will purchase something over an e-commerce website, then with that particular purchase this module will define and display them different kinds of discounted products, right? Attractive products, right? So it will basically attract customers, and customers can accept or decline those offers. So when multiple upsell offers will be defined there, so at the time of declining of one offer, second offer will be automatically displayed to them, right? So here you can see that this is configuration of upsell offer, and different offers are defined over here, that is 30% discount, 20% discount, $5 off, 10% discount, right? And we will see one example. So as you can see that this is same scenario like coupons and promotions, but we have made some modifications and updations regarding that. So as you can see that we can see apply discount over here, so we can apply discount as well as fixed amount scenario over here. And here we have to define discounted product, right? Now in this additional offers you can define automatic as well as custom. So when it will defined as automatic, then you can see system will calculate among all of these scenarios, and whatever minimum price will be there, whatever minimum price will be arised, right? So it will calculate and display that related product first, and after that it will display next products coming according to that calculation, right? On the second hand you can see additional offers as custom. So when user will define these additional offers as custom, then over here we can define this custom upsell offers over here. So when this is defined as custom, then system will calculate among these defined offers only, and will display those related products on an e-commerce website to customers by calculating these custom offers, right? And here system will in this custom scenario also system will calculate these products with their related lowest pricing method, right? Okay, now we will go to website, and as you can see that I have already defined these discount related products as well as one $5 off related scenario. So we will go to website, go to shop and purchase something, that is HP. Let's see that. Okay, I am purchasing this HP ProBook. Add to cart, process checkout. All right, pay with different kinds of payment acquirers enabled over here, right? So I will select this and pay now. So basically this is one kind of authorized.net uh, payment method, and credit card information is already saved over here. So I will pay with this pay now. This credit card, with this credit card I have paid for this sales order, right? So here, as you can see that with this particular kind of sales order 42 that is already confirmed, we can see that this offer is displayed over here, like 10% discount on Quick Heal Total Security, and related description, title and description will be displayed over here, and it will be defined as discounted price, right? So this is regular price and this is discounted price. Now there are two choices, there are two choice for user, for a custom there are two choice for a customer, that is either get it or decline it, right? So first of all, let's see that I am declining this offer. All right, so as you can see, as per configured, as backend side, different offer is displayed, right? I am again declining this offer. So this offer is displayed, and I'm again declining this offer. So as you can see that this offer is displayed. Now I get it and grab this offer. Okay, so here system will again ask to add this particular discounted product, and I will again select this payment acquirer, that is previously I had done over here. So we'll pay now for this. Alright, so as you can see that this product is successfully added with my previous, that is sales order 52. Alright, and it will be displayed like this, and when we will go at backend side, so we will see that. Alright, this is sales order and it will be displayed like this. Alright, so this is all about our module upsell offer functionality. Thank you for watching.
To know more about our modules, or any kind of ERP implementation in your organization, kindly email us on contact@synchonix.com. We are officially Odoo Enterprise Sales Partner. You can ping us on Skype, that is, synchonix.technologies. You can also call us on given number for your business inquiries.